garage. It's very old. We actually noticed that the metal was rusted out up there, so what we did, very inexpensive, the gentleman that owns this wanted to secure it to the garage so and not spend a lot of money, so we took auto bondo fiberglass basically and attached it with fiberglass and fiberglass tape, and my associate here, Rose, is going to sand that down, and it actually puts structure back into the metal that was on the side of the building. And then we're going to prime the metal with oil-based primer, and then prime the garage door, and then paint it. And then it should look like a brand new garage door and metal area. It used to be a car service station at one time, and it's just a regular residential garage now. So, we'll see you soon on the next shot. And here's Rosalina doing the bottom part of the garage. She's sanding it away to get the paint that's peeling off there, which you got to make sure the surface is smooth.
So this is the first coat of the garage door. So that's how it looks like by now. And then tomorrow we're gonna do the second coat. So we're gonna be done pretty soon. So see you guys later. Bye. There you go. This is primed. This is the look after we primed it. So we're getting there. The top is already painted. That's done. But the door is not. Just only primed. So there you go. See you guys later.